G'day guys, my name's Ben and welcome to the channel, and today we are talking about ESR's phone case and screen protector kit for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, as you can see here, I've already fitted both of these kits to my iPhone 14, and we'll go back in time in a second, but I really wanted to talk a bit about their screen protector kits in particular because I've been really impressed with their product. Now, first of all, you get 3 screen protectors in here, so you have a few chances to make mistakes. Not that I think you actually will. In fact, I think you'll use the extra screen protectors as spares in the future. The great thing about this kit is it comes with this piece of plastic, which is an alignment tool that gets you the perfect fitment on the iPhone 14 Pro, as you can see here. I've used other ESR products as well, including on my iPad Pro, and I've been able to get a perfect fitment on the screen. So if you're interested in getting the same product, I've added links in this video description so you can find them easily on Amazon. So if you'd like to know more about how this kit works, let's go and check out how I installed it. All right, here's everything you get in the box. You get your screen alignment tool to help you fit the screen protector. You get your screen protectors. You get your wet wipes and other tools that you need to use that are really nicely labeled so you can follow the right steps. And you get a colored instruction manual so you know what you're doing. One bonus thing I didn't notice until I read the manual is this piece of foam, which is a non-slip mat to help you install everything without the phone slipping around on the table. All right, I can see that notch just here as well, which must be the top. Put our alignment tool on this. Quick test fit. Here we go. All right, now I've just got a squeegee, do that properly. All right, we are done. The cover is perfectly aligned up here, and even though I didn't do the greatest first attempt, I was able to get all of the air bubbles out with minimum effort. But the main thing I'm happy about here is the screen protector is perfectly aligned with the phone. No air bubbles and nothing's wrong with it. So really great idea from ESR to include this alignment tool because it just makes putting the screen protector on so much easier. So this is what I wanted to show you, a really great thing that ESR has done here. And now I'll quickly show you their MagSafe case. All right, before I clip that on, here's a closer look at the screen. Perfectly aligned, no marks or issues, which is really good. So now we'll drop it in their MagSafe case. Here we go, and we're done. This case is actually a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. It's got quite a lot of protection on it, if I'm honest. The case sticks out further than the camera lenses too, which is really good. And overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So there you go, all done now. I hope you found this video helpful, and really, once again, I am really impressed with this screen alignment tool that comes with ESR's screen protector. It really simplifies the whole process and gives you a perfect fitment every single time. I've done it on multiple devices now, including my iPad, and each time these have helped the whole journey so much better. Please subscribe if you found it helpful. Thanks a lot for watching and have a good one.